40 and fabulous means trying new products. And it's time for me to try this Flawless foundation brush. Love the case that it comes in. What a beautiful shape. I love this. Okay, secure for traveling. And then look at that, aww. I'm always a fan of the blush pink, but this is adorable for the handle, and my goodness. Words cannot describe how soft this is. I am not kidding. I almost don't want to put product on it because then I can't pet it. Let's try it out. That is as silky soft as you can imagine. Oh my goodness. Let me finish up, but this is just supreme. Words, I don't have them. That's rare.